Shaggy's Auto Repair. So I'm working on a 2001 Sequoia. Same thing as a Lexus, like 350 or some crap, the SUV. I'll just show you here. One of these. Same engine as the Lexus. So if you're doing this on a Lexus, it's probably about the same. So let me get in here real quick and show you. I got the water pump loose. There's that bolt, that nut, that bolt down there, right there, okay? And then, oh, I already showed you that one. Okay, and I just loosened the covers. See how I have the covers loose? That way, if I need to get my hands into a tight spot, I can. So there's a bolt on the AC, okay? They do not tell you in other videos that you do not have to take the AC apart. I'm telling you, okay? Leave the AC where it's at. So there's a bolt, okay? You see where this crack is right here, right? Between the two. There's a bolt that goes through here into the water pump, okay? To hold the AC on there. And then on top of that, there's another bolt. Where is it? I'll just show you. Or there's another nut right there. Okay, there's the nut. That's where the nut goes. That's the nut right there. Okay, that's the nut. That's the bolt. And then there's another bolt. There's a bolt right there. Okay. And that goes right there. Goes right in. Dropped it. Goes right in there. Okay. All right. And it goes straight into my fucking camera will focus. Sorry, y'all. Okay, right here. Okay, this is the the AC compressor, and then right behind that is the water pump right there. Right there. Yep, right there. And that's the other bolt that goes through. Well, they decided that all this should connect. I see different, but other mechanics on the videos have shown you the way where you gotta take the radiator off. That's if you want to make more room, yes, you could take the radiator out. I didn't have to do that. I'm just letting you know that it's loose. You know, you don't need to do the extra work if you don't have to. These are all the little 10mm bolts that go on the covers for the faceplate for the timing covers. That's what this one goes in here, and it positions where it goes right about. Goes right underneath this pulley right here, okay? And then it leaves a little space for the water pump to come out, but removing it makes it a lot easier to wiggle this thing out. And then you got this hose in the way, right? Sorry about my hands in the way. So you got this hose that goes straight over this area. So to wiggle this out, you got to wiggle it out on the left side first, okay? Get it completely loose on the left side and the top side, right? And then wiggle it out on the right side. And while you're doing that, you got to pull this out, okay? And do it with two hands. It's a lot harder than it sounds, but it's doable. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna set this camera right here while I take this out. Hopefully, yeah, let's see. Hopefully I can get a nice little shot for you guys so you guys can see how I do it. Let's see. Move things around over here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Might be, there we go. Let's see. Where's the water pump? Might be able to get it from this side over here. Let's see if I can position it just right where you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay, you can see. All right, so to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, bam! There we go, folks. It's out. Timing belt's still in good shape, so I'm not changing that, but that's your water pump. So let me show you what's wrong with it. See anything missing? Quite a few things missing, right? See how that looks when it spins. Yeah, it doesn't want to spin. So that right there should tell you you got a wobble too. You know, that water pump is not turning. Those bearings are gone. You see all the stuff falling out of there as I'm turning it. Look at that. That's no bueno. All right, folks. I'm gonna get back to the job. Have a good day. Hopefully you learned something.